I'm just a simple girl that likes to be extra. What is up, guys? It's your girl LaShayna LaVonne here. I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be a very detailed natural eyebrow tutorial. This is how I pretty much do my eyebrows. I am a beginner at this, but I really have found some products and I really have found how to do my eyebrow shape. So the first thing you see me using is the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow. I got this, I want to say I got this from Walgreens, but you can get it from Target, Walmart. I mean, it's Wet n Wild. You can get it pretty much everywhere. I want to say I paid like $6 or $7 for this. But it's very inexpensive. I really like how it makes my eyebrows look. So that's the first thing I'm doing here, and I'm just really filling out my eyebrows on here. This eyebrow, I'm pretty sure everybody has an eyebrow where it's like it's not your favorite, and this particular eyebrow is not my favorite brow, if you know what I mean. Like, she be giving me problems, but yeah, I always start with this eyebrow first, ironically, because I always want to make sure I do this one right. And this one needs a little bit more work than my other eye. So the second thing you see me doing here, I am putting on the Maybelline Micro Brow Precise Fiber Voluminizer. Y'all know how I pronounce stuff, whatever. If I said that wrong, please excuse me, but y'all see me use this 1,000 times, so nothing different. I'm just like putting that on top of the Ultimate Brow, kind of setting everything in place, and then of course I'm just gonna go back, set everything how I want it to lay with my little spoolie brush. And it might look a little crazy right now, but of course we're gonna clean it up with the concealer. So I'm gonna do those 2 steps to my second eyebrow, and then I'll be back. I'm gonna speed this process up. I'm doing the same exact thing to the other eye. Okay, y'all see how quick that second eyebrow was, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up with my Bare Pro Bare Minerals Concealer. I don't know why that is always a tongue twister for me, but that's the concealer I'm using. I got this from influencer, so I got it for free, but I really do like this concealer. I actually would like purchase this. It is, I want to say it is a little pricey. I want to say it's like $27, almost $30. But it's overall, I'm gonna use it till it's gone, and then after it's gone, I don't know. I don't know if I want to spend all that coin on it, but I really do overall. I really do like it overall, and for free, like, I can't beat it. But the only thing I'm doing here is just cleaning up any imperfection I see. Just want to make them really crisp, and yeah, I do it all over my lid, and then I put, not on my lid, but I put some right on top of the lid and kind of just blend it down. And what you're gonna see me do is use the butt of the sponge, my faux beauty blender. I'm using the butt of it and just kind of like pressing it in, because sometimes I don't wear foundation and I just do my eyebrow, so I find this to blend it out like more seamlessly. And then with the edges of my eyebrow, I take the head of the sponge. guys, so this is the finished look. Very natural, very easy. It takes me like less than 5 minutes to do my eyebrows, so this is very quick and simple, and if I can do it, I know you can definitely do it. If you like what you see here, definitely please like, comment, and definitely subscribe. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay blessed.